Data loss can occur unexpectedly and can cause significant inconvenience, loss of productivity, and financial loss. Whether it's a corrupted hard drive, a damaged phone, or a failed RAID array, data loss can be devastating for businesses and individuals alike. That's why we're proud to announce our partnership with Aplus Computer Repair, located at 3033 North Hancock Avenue, Colorado Springs, Colorado 80907. Our partnership will provide the people of Colorado Springs with access to the best data recovery services in the area. At Secure Data Recovery, we offer free diagnostics and a no data, no recovery fee policy, meaning that if we can't recover your data, you won't have to pay a cent. Plus, we offer a no obligation price quote, so you'll know exactly what to expect before you commit to anything. Our data recovery services include recovering data from damaged hard drives, phones, SSDs, flash drives, and RAIDs. No matter what kind of device you have, we can help you recover your valuable data. Located just off I-25 and Fillmore Street, Aplus Computer Repair is easy to find, and there's plenty of parking available. If you're familiar with the area, our store is located in Venetian Village, just south of Thomas Edison Elementary and west of Orton Academy. Whether you're a local or just passing through, Aplus Computer Repair is the place to go for all your data recovery needs. So, if you're experiencing data loss, don't panic. Call us today or stop by Aplus Computer Repair and let us help you get your data back.